koutou. Hi, my name is Loralye.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Richard. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Aotearoa the 2nd of June.
Okay, let's start today with tidiest class for week 6. Drum roll please.
Periods 5, 12 and 13. Kapai.
Keep your classes tidy for the term and be in to win a pizza lunch reward.
Yummy. Okay, on to te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Samoa,
which is tidiest for Samoa.
No letter S in Rio, so it's straight swap for the letter H.
Kapai. Into hockey news. Winton Wipeouts, who have a hockey training today at lunchtime on the basketball court, or maybe in the hall if it's wet. Be there at 12:45, please.
Winton Wizards, zappity. Ah! Zappity again. Poof! Your training session is on too. Same deal, 12:45. Kia ora.
Book club news. Orders are due into their office by next Friday. That's Friday the 12th of June.
There are lots of new and exciting books in the catalogue. Make sure you have a good look.
Reading is a great way to entertain yourself on these cold winter days.
And if you miss any of today's notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
How long does this go for?
I'm not sure. Let's go back up.
Okay, high vis vest. Keep wearing them to and from school. It's dark out there in the morning, koutou.
Sandpit news. A note to all students using sandpit toys. Who stay in the sandpit. Thank you.
Choir news. Everyone who signed up for choir, please use your ngā taringa.
You have a lunchtime rehearsal tomorrow in the hall. Please take your lunch and be there at 12:30.
Richard, I hope you didn't sign up for choir.
I might have.
Dun dun dun. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud, Winton School.